Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to use WhatsApp without numbers. So if you want to know how to use WhatsApp without number, keep watching this video till the end. So let's start. So now you can see here, I am going to Play Store and download 2ND Line app. So I am going to download it and 2ND Line app. So as you can see, I am installing that app. So wait for it. After installation, now we can open. I have successfully installed, so now we can open it. Click on Get Start. Enter your email ID here. Click Next. Your password. Click on. Okay. Click on Setup. Click on Allow. Now click on Don't Use Location. Now click put here. I will show you number 250. This number you can put here. Continue. I agree. So my account is verified now. Click on Continue. Verification is in process. Please wait. Click again 250. Click Continue. So here you can see many types of number I have seen on my screen. So click on that numbers which you want. Click on Continue. Click on Sign Up. Okay, it's done. So we have on our home screen and click on top button, and here you can see my number, robot number is automatically generated. Click on it. We have copied our number and minimize here and go to WhatsApp. Click on Agree and Continue. Then click here and select United States. Then put your phone number where you can copy and paste here. Click on Next. Click on OK. Now you have received a text message. If you not receive text message, you need to you can see I have received text message. If you not receive, you can click on Call Me after 1 minute. So you can receive a call that you given you WhatsApp verification code. So I am going to put here verification code. So I am going to put here
833927. Your verification code is 833927. Your verification code is 833927. Your verification code is 833927.
So, thanks for watching guys. I have to go now. Bye bye. Do take care of yourself and others. Try to help people and respect people. And of course do not forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting tricks and tutorials. You guys are awesome. Have a nice day.